In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract a dataset from Kaggle. Now to do this, you want to go to the top left here inside your account and open the navigation menu. Then you want to click on Data Hub and click on Datasets. From here, you want to find the dataset you want to extract. So I'm just going to go to a random one here. I'm going to click on, for example, this one, computer vision, and then it's going to pop a bunch of different ones here. And I'm just going to basically click on a random one. Let's just say it's going to be this one over here. And as you can see, it's going to open up the dataset page, and you can see a download button here in the top right. So to do this, the manual way to extract a dataset is to click on the download button, and then down here you can see download dataset as zip. You want to click on this, and a zip folder will download, and inside here you've basically extracted the dataset. So if I click on this, it's going to open, and as you can see here, this is the extracted dataset over here, which I've downloaded onto my computer. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.